Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. We are diving into something absolutely crucial today. Look, the agent revolution is already here. You know that. But the legacy infrastructure we're using, it's completely holding it back. Today, we're cracking open the missing layer of the machine-to-machine economy. We're going to break down exactly how you can monetize stateless AI agents instantly using Botspeak and the X402 protocol. Let's get right into it.
So, autonomous AI agents are incredible, right? They're reasoning and chaining tools working for you 24/7. But we've got to address the massive elephant in the room that is actively blocking your revenue. How do these stateless machines actually pay for the APIs they consume? Think about it for a second. An autonomous agent doesn't have a credit card in its back pocket. It doesn't have a traditional user account to log into.
And honestly, here is why that's such a massive problem. AI agents literally love recursive loops. A single runaway reasoning chain can hammer your API thousands of times before you even realize what's happening. If you're the one footing the bill for that compute, well, a simple $10 experiment can instantly turn into a $2,000 nightmare. Unpredictable costs are, without a doubt, the ultimate enemy of scaling anything in the AI space. Section 1. The trillion-dollar AI problem.
The old way we used to do things is just completely broken now. Subscriptions, manual billing, API keys, they just create these massive security and billing nightmares when dealing with stateless agents. You simply cannot use them safely when these agents are spinning up and down continuously. We are actively hitting a brick wall trying to force Web 2 billing to handle Web 3 machine speeds. So, what's the new way? Instant, serverless edge micropayments using stablecoins and Botspeak. It really is the only way to truly unlock and, more importantly, profit from autonomous AI commerce.
Section 2. Meet Botspeak, the missing layer. Enter Botspeak.tech. This is the ultimate savior for your API. It acts as a stateless, serverless reverse proxy that sits right in front of your endpoints. It completely revolutionizes monetization by doing something super clever. It resurrects the long-forgotten HTTP 402 payment required status code. No user accounts to manage, no credit card processing fees, no clunky user sessions. It just uses the open X402 protocol to process instant stablecoin micropayments, utilizing USDC on-base or Solana SVM to seamlessly charge per request right at edge speed. Section 3. The Edge Protection Suite. But listen, Botspeak is not just about getting paid. It's an automated bodyguard for your infrastructure. It gives you absolute peace of mind by solving that runaway loop problem we talked about. It does this with a highly advanced 4-layer protection suite running right at the Cloudflare edge with sub-millisecond overhead. You've got step count circuit breakers that instantly halt runaway sessions. Then there's semantic vector similarity, which detects repetitive prompts with over 98% similarity to stop loops dead in their tracks. It also uses cumulative token budgeting to enforce your hard limits and dynamic low-cost model routing to intelligently route requests and save you money. The result? Absolutely ironclad budget protection. Section 4. Real proof, real numbers. Now, you might be wondering, is this actually battle-tested? Let's look at the live proof. Botspeak has already gated and successfully secured over 4.89 million API requests at edge speed. That is a massive, massive volume of machine-to-machine traffic flowing flawlessly and, most importantly, safely. And through those requests, it has frictionlessly settled over $24,460 in USDC for developers just like you. We are talking about real, tangible revenue from a completely new economy that was basically impossible to tap into safely before this. But here is the number that should really make you sit up and take notice. Botspeak has successfully blocked 1,246 recursive loops. Every single one of those blocked loops represents a developer who was just rescued from a massive, completely unexpected cloud bill. Honestly, that feature alone makes this technology an absolute no-brainer. Section 5. The Open X402 Standard. When you integrate this tech, you aren't just using some random tool. You are buying into a massive, industry-backed movement. The X402 protocol is an open internet standard designed specifically to make payments native to HTTP for the agentic web, and it is heavily backed by tech titans like Coinbase and Cloudflare, along with a dedicated X402 foundation. This is the definitive standard for the future of AI commerce, for sure. Section 6. Unlock the machine economy. Okay, the absolute best part about all of this, deploying this serverless salvation takes zero complex engineering on your part. You can literally deploy option 1 in seconds. Just point BotSpeak at your origin URL, set your price in USDC, plug in your crypto wallet, and boom, you have an instant, fully protected paywall. Agents see a clean 402 response, pay via Coinbase, and get their result. It is incredibly frictionless. And the barrier to entry is basically non-existent. You can start entirely risk-free on the free tier just to test the waters. Or honestly, you should immediately upgrade to the pro tier for just $19 a month. That unlocks full protections, custom domains, advanced analytics, and this is huge, it drops your commission fees down to a tiny 0.51%. Think about it. Blocking just one single runaway loop pays for that pro tier 100 times over. The infrastructure that actually speaks the native language of AI is finally here. It's built for the machine economy, powered by stablecoins right at edge speed. Please do not let runaway autonomous agents bankrupt your infrastructure. The choice is yours. Keep bleeding money to legacy systems or deploy your proxy in seconds and actually get paid for the agent revolution. So the only question left is, are you ready to build the machine economy?